Hey everybody, Q&A time. I received some questions that I wanted to go ahead and answer, and here they are right here. It says, when I log into Clever and when it says to enter your school's name, I write Thomas Hart Middle School, and then it shows that there is now results for that. I'm guessing no results for that. So I think I may have talked with this person already, but make sure you type in Hart Middle School, leave the Thomas out of it, and I think that should solve your problem, and you should be able to find it. In Google Classroom, it says the assignment is due tomorrow at 8:30. How are you supposed to turn in the assignment since it's turned in on Amplify? Well, I want you to turn it in on Amplify by 8:30 tomorrow. So you don't have to turn anything in on Google Classroom unless specifically I instruct you to do so. The next question, so do the lessons in home studying start next Monday or today? Well, since this question was asked a while ago, today is Monday now. We've jumped into the future. And yeah, there should be a new lesson every single day posted to our Google Classroom, usually with an accompanying video and some other materials. So make sure you're looking for those. How do clouds cause stuff to rain or hail? And how does the air parcel know what to do to form a cloud? Well, the air parcel doesn't necessarily know anything. It's simply following the rules of physics. So it's not that it has like a conscience and is thinking about these things. Do I want to be a cloud today or don't I? But it forms a cloud because it has water vapor in it, and that water vapor cools to the point where it's able to condense and to form a liquid. So how do they cause stuff to rain or hail? We haven't really talked about hail, which is interesting, and that'll involve wind and really cold temperatures. But for rain, it's enough condensation, enough water vapor is condensing in order for it to be able to fall. For the second chapter, are we going to be doing everything online? Yes, everything online. Everything's going to be on Amplify or questions and assignments that I post to our Google Classroom. How will we do the small amount of content that is only in the book? And how will we do labs? I'm going to hopefully show you how to maybe do some labs at home with materials that you have. Obviously, it's going to be difficult and it's going to be challenging. So I appreciate, your flexibility, and I'll try to get creative. And the small amount of content that is only in the book, well, just like we do it in class, I suppose. Will there be assignments before next Monday? No, there's not. Is there any way for us to know what we got on the critical juncture? Great question. I'll try to find out. As you know, it's been difficult to push your scores out through Amplify. So I'll continue looking into that and see if there's a good way to be able to do that for you. The critical juncture is not going on your grade. When is it due? It's due by tomorrow at 8:30. We're supposed to do each page every day. So I go through each of the pages that we're supposed to do, and it's not necessarily pages in the workbook now. It's the activities that are online. So watch the videos and make sure that you're following along and doing the assignments as I instruct you to. What pages do I do in the workbook? You don't have to do anything in the workbook at this point. We've completely switched to online. So I still have the workbooks. I use them for myself. But yeah, if you can do everything online if you wish. Do we still do tests and homeworks? Yes, we do. What exactly is condensing? Yeah. Well, I would encourage you to look it up, but also let's talk about it. Condensing is where you have water vapor, water that is a gas, turning back into a liquid. And typically the way we see that happen, and the way we've been talking about it happening in class, is that gas cools off. And as it cools off, the water is able to go back into a liquid state. We're slowing the molecules back down, if we recall. And as they slow down, they're able to, again, get locked back up as a liquid instead of as a gas. So hopefully that answers these questions, and look forward to any more that you have. I'll try to answer those for you too. And if you have any questions about these, you can ask. See you later.